I'm yours.
Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to show you how to make a beautiful DIY faux floral arrangement. If you don't know by now, I love flowers. I love real flowers, I love fake flowers, I love doing DIY and decorating with flowers. And today I'm so excited to show you how to make this beautiful centerpiece completely with faux flowers and faux greenery, and most of these items are from the dollar store. This video is a collaboration with Catherine from Dainty Diaries. We're both sharing a romantic DIY for Valentine's Day moving into spring. If you've never checked out her channel, you are in for a treat. She is so creative. Her aesthetic is shabby chic. She loves florals, she loves pinks. Her channel is just gorgeous and she is the sweetest girl. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below and a link to her video somewhere up here, so make sure to check that out after you watch this video. So today I want to help prove that you can make a beautiful centerpiece on a budget using items from the dollar store. I'm going to share all of my tips, tricks, and hacks on how I made this arrangement. Let's get started. So I hit up my local dollar store, which is the Dollarama here in Canada, and it's such a great place to find basic floral arrangement supplies like bins and mosses, and they had some really nice faux florals this year for spring, so I grabbed some of those. I found this galvanized bucket at Dollarama as well. It was only $4, and I thought it would make a great rustic farmhouse country looking base for my arrangement. Then I found this inspiration photo on Pinterest. I love the shape and the colors of this arrangement, so I'm not going to copy this arrangement, but I'm using it to inspire the shape and the colors of my arrangement. Next, I took this floral foam, also found at the dollar store, and I'm cutting it with a pair of scissors to fit right inside my tin. This is going to be the base that I'm sticking my faux flowers and greenery into. Then I took this sheet moss, I also found it at Dollarama, and I'm placing it over top of my foam just to cover up that foam and to give the bottom of my arrangement a beautiful spring look. Moss is a really great tool to just start a nice textured base for your arrangement. Then I took these seeded eucalyptus faux stems. I found these at Michael's last year, but I did notice that the Target, the dollar spot, has some beautiful faux greenery. They had seeded eucalyptus and other things when I went there to visit a few weeks ago. So check out that. You can also check out your local dollar store to see what sorts of greenery they have. I did find this one. This is like a faux boxwood at my dollar store. So I'm mixing this in as well. So what I'm doing first is I'm creating a greenery base for my arrangement. So I liked that dome shape, sort of that cascading shape of my inspiration picture. So I'm trying to create some trailing sides of my arrangement just with the greenery kind of trailing off the left and right. So I'm building that base first. Using lots of different kinds of greenery is a great way to add texture and interest to your flower arrangement, not just one kind. So I'm using the small little leafy boxwood, this more cascading seeded eucalyptus, and then I have this small sort of like silver dollar eucalyptus I found. This one was from afloral.com a few years ago. Again, check out your Target dollar spot or your dollar store to find a similar, more affordable option. But I mean, I've used this greenery over and over and over again throughout the years. It's a great investment. Then I'm adding some of this really silver sort of textured lamb's ear. It gives the arrangement a nice light look. And now I'm grabbing some of my larger florals from the Dollarama. So after you've made your greenery base, you want to start with your biggest to smallest flowers. That's what I like to do anyway, and that really helps me make my arrangement look really full and even. So I chose to make my arrangement pink and white with the greenery, of course. So I'm taking these larger pink flowers and I'm distributing them evenly throughout my arrangement. I really want that dome shape, so I'm cutting the flowers taller in the middle and shorter on the sides. This is going to create that shape that I want from the inspiration photo. Then I'm taking some white larger roses. These are also from Dollarama. I'm trimming them with some tin snips and I'm adding them in my arrangement just throughout and just kind of alternating them with the pink flowers. I also loved these blush pink and white roses from the Dollarama. I'm also trimming those and adding them throughout the arrangement as well. So to add more interest and texture to your arrangement, you can make some of the flowers higher, some of them lower. So really play around with the heights of your flowers to give your arrangement some interest. Then I decided that I wanted some more of this lighter silvery colored greenery inside the arrangement. So I'm just adding that. Then I'm going to some smaller flowers in this almost peachy pink and adding them. So definitely use larger and smaller flowers, and this is going to make your arrangement look interesting and full. I also wanted this arrangement to look nice from all sides because I wanted to use it perhaps on my kitchen island or a table. So as I'm putting my flowers in and looking at them, I'm moving the arrangement around to see how it looks on both sides. Then I had this faux succulent from Michael's from a few years ago, attached it to a leftover stem and put it in the arrangement as well. These pink stems were from Dollarama, and I just like the texture. They were just something different from all the fluffy things I have in this arrangement. They're more pointy, so I'm adding a couple of those into my arrangement as well, but they are within my pink color scheme, so I think they worked really well in this arrangement. So here is my finished, budget-friendly, beautiful arrangement for either Valentine's Day or spring. I love this pink and white and green color combo. It's very simple, but it's perfect for spring and for Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this faux floral arrangement. And if you have any other tips that you use when you create faux flower arrangements, I would love to hear them. Again, make sure to check out Catherine's video at Dainty Diaries to check out her DIY. I can't wait to watch it. I haven't seen it yet. I think it's gonna be amazing because she always does such fabulous things. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That's how I know what videos to make more of. Subscribe to my channel if you like DIY and decor ideas on a budget. And I will see you guys all again in my next video. Bye.